Good morning and welcome to today's math lesson. I'm going to begin by first setting up my screen so that we're looking at today's lesson. I hope that you all have had a restful evening and I hope you all are doing well. I miss you all, okay? So I'm going to share my screen here. One moment. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, so this is today's lesson. Again, we're looking at Unit 10, Lesson 2, and our objective for today reads, I will represent the area of plane shapes using square units. And square units are something that we talked about yesterday, but we'll go ahead and review the vocabulary. And it says here a square unit is a square whose sides all measure 1 unit. Okay, so 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. That's a square unit. We talked about the area being the measurement of the surface of a closed plane shape. So here we see a rectangle, and the area can be found when we count the squares inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 12 square units there. A surface is the uppermost layer of something. Okay, so the part that you see, that you're actually able to see. And then a plane shape is a closed two-dimensional or flat figure. So let's take a look at page 3. Now, boys and girls, you do not have this page in your book. This is what I'll be introducing the lesson from. So, number 1 asks, how many square units are in the shape? Now, there are 2 ways that we can do this. We can simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer here would be, make this a little larger. There are 9 square units. All right. So that's one way we can count, or we can treat this like an array. So we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 3 square units there. We know that there are 3 units there. So we have 3 units and 3 units. I can move this over. Okay, I don't think I can. So we have 3 units and 3 units. So we can use multiplication, and we can say that 3 times 3 equals 9 square units. Okay, so we counted the squares, and then we also use multiplication. Good morning, Kiara. All right. So let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, find the area of the shape by drawing the square units. So here we see that there are some pieces that are missing. So we're going to go in and draw the missing pieces. So here's one. I'm just bringing these lines down. And then I'm going to bring the lines across. Okay, so now I can do the same thing. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, get rid of this thing. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I can say here, there, I can just put 16. 16 square units. Okay, that's by counting, or we can use it as an array. So we can say that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4 units there. And we know that we can use multiplication and say that 4 times 4 equals 16 square units. So either way, counting inside or using multiplication will give you the same answer. Okay? Do you have your structured guided practice? Let me see what that looks like. This. Let me see. It's Unit 10, Lesson 2. No, you don't have it. You'll find it. Your mic is off. Do you know how to turn it on? If you look like, I think if you look in the corner, you'll be able to turn your mic on. Is there anything there? Are you able to turn it on, Kiara? No, okay. Maybe it's something I need to do in setting them up, but I'll keep going, okay? All right. So, so looking at number 1 on this page, it says how many square units are in the shape. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So the answer is simply 24 square units. And like I said, we can do it this way where we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that there's 6 here. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units there. So we can say 6 times 4 equals 24 square units. Does that make sense? All right, good. Okay, let's go to the second one. Now for the second one, here's the one where we have to fill in the empty spaces. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to join these lines. One, it's a little crooked. 2, 3, 4. So do you see how I did that? Okay. So now that we have everything connected, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our answer is 16 square units. And again, if I wanted to do it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 there. And then I can put 4 times 4 equals 16 square units. Okay. All right. Okay, well, that is it for today. What I'm going to ask you to do is work on the final check for understanding on that page. All right. And then also student practice. Let's see. 2 pages of student practice. And I think there's a challenge problem. Okay. So look for those pages and work on them. Did you have any questions? No questions. All righty. Okay, that's it for today. And for our math lesson, if you can come back here for reading, that'll be great. If not, I'll just make the video and then you can go on when you have a chance, okay? All right, I'll see you soon, Kiara. Bye-bye.